Are you looking for a brand new home that blends stylish design with spacious living? This one might check all your boxes and maybe even a few you didn't know you had. I'm Edith Thelman, your local Amarillo realtor. Join me for a tour of this stunning home in the Greenways, one of Amarillo's most thoughtful planned neighborhoods, and let's explore together why this could be the perfect place to call home. This gorgeous home features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and 2,037 square feet of modern finishes and smart designs, all priced at $408,369. And here's something you'll love. When you use the builder's preferred lender, you could get up to $5,000 in flex cash, perfect for covering closing costs, upgrades, or even buying down your interest rate. Just a heads up, if you choose another lender, that incentive may be reduced. If this sounds like your dream home, don't wait. Message me today or call me at 806-440-1740 and let's connect on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.